Hello friends, for today's trading I have selected only two stocks, Cummins Industries and Bharti Airtel. One more stock that I was watching in the morning, that was GEEL, J-E-E-L, G Entertainment Private Limited. So I have looking for a shorting opportunity in that stock, but due to some other circumstances and other very good signals, I have selected only these two stocks, Cummins Industries and Bharti Airtel. So let's start with Bharti Airtel. So dominant pressure in this stock is clearly the selling. Selling pressure is more dominant as compared to buying pressure. So our first confirmation is the dominant pressure is that is selling in this stock. Selling is the dominant pressure in this stock, and this lengthier buildup was formed on 4th October, that is on yesterday. Yes, I think it was a whole day. The fight between bulls and bears were actually done on in a very tight range. So that has also given me some kind of clue that uh, let's see who is going to take the control of the price after this fight. So dominant pressure, build up, and expected movement in this stock was downward, but that is not happened. And also in the morning, market was also some point down. So I hope I was waiting for a short signal in this stock, but didn't get. So let's move to the analysis part of this stock. What analysis says? As per my analysis, that dominant pressure is selling, buildup is formed. So this buildup should be formed over here. This buildup should be formed over here. If this buildup was formed around this area, then this buildup will act as a very good entry point for those who are looking to short Bharti Airtel. But that is not happened. So what was the reason why it is not happened? As per my analysis, the reason behind this buildup that was formed above the demand zone is that there is an entry of bulls. Buyers have entered in this stock yesterday on 4th October, and they have also created some kind of pattern. So to confirm pattern, just change the chart type from candles to line. So you can see this channel was broken. So this channel was broken. Let me draw another. Okay. First hit, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So as I have already told that those levels or that levels which are tested many times will become more weaker. Those who are tested lesser time. So this is what happened with this stock. So this is another story and it has actually passed. So no need to talk about this. So let's talk about the current today's price action. So as per my analysis, that this stock created a W pattern on 4th October, and in between W you can clearly see a head and shoulders pattern that was formed on 1st October. So if there was a serious buyers or serious bulls that have entered here, they should have keep the prices above this zone, and that is what happened on 4th October. And they were able to keep the prices up. That means in the coming session, they may be driving, they may be on the driving seat of the price of the Bharti Airtel, and that is what today happening. So I entered in this stop on 686, and 683 was my stop loss, and on 696 I booked my profit, that is 1 is to 3. So this is the story of Bharti Airtel today. So this stock has given me a profit today, and this is the analysis that I have done in what was the mindset behind trading, behind taking the trade in Bharti Airtel today. So let's move to Cummins Industries. Cummins Industries. Again, you can clearly see dominant pressure in this stock is selling. Very clear, it is visible. And the buildup was also formed at the lower end. You can see this is the first low that this stock has tested on 1st October, and after this low quite higher, lower, and again this low was tested on the lower side of the previous previous low. So I was actually more sure about this stock, that this stock will give me a very good sorting opportunity. But this is the actually beauty of the market, that this stock has not given any kind of signal till now. So I have not traded this stock. If market has started moving down heavily, then there may be a chance that this stock may have given me a short signal, but that is not happening. So I have not traded this stock because market was not in uh, the trend of this stock's trend. So first reason, dominant pressure. Second reason, buildup was formed, but the follow-through action was not confirmed by the market. Because of that, I have not traded this stock today. So only one trade that I have done today, and that is already in green. So overall, I am in profit today. And this is the actually conclusion of the trading, today's trading. And the lesson that I have learned today is that even if you have a better strong confirmation for a follow through action, but you need to read the sentiment of market, you need to read uh, the history of that chart, that exactly what is going on or what has happened with that particular instrument or stocks. So that will tell you clearly that who is going to take the control, and some price pattern will also help you in that. So to learn the price pattern, there are a lot of books available on the online, but to master them, you need to have uh, your eye on chart on a regular basis and for a fixed amount of time every day. So because of that, you can clearly see the pattern. Otherwise, it will be quite difficult to read the chart and the sentiment of the market. Because today, my analysis told me that this stock will move in downward direction, but market has decided, or market has decided to uh, keep the prices of this stock up and moving in upward direction. And it also has given a clue that I am going to make the price of this stock higher. And that clue was this. W pattern was formed. W patterns, or you can see double bottom. So you must have an idea of the sentiment of markets in intraday, especially. If you are not unable, or if you are unable to do that, then you maybe you will not be in the green today or any day. So that's it today. That's it for today. And please like, share, and subscribe. If you find my analysis or content of this video is good and it is really helping you to read the market, then please like, share, and subscribe, and keep supporting. Thank you, guys.